In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to connect Contact Form 7 with Zapier. So if you're already in this video, I'm guessing you already know what Zapier is. So in short, Zapier is an automation tool to collect your application to another application via their method. So we will do this via our Webhook add-on of Ultimate Addons for Contact Form 7. So make sure you have these two plugins enabled. A link of that video is now, I believe, logged up of this video. I will check that how to install these two plugins. Now we need to go to recommended all add-ons and search for Webhook. So in enable this, we already enable this for our public directory. So now let's go to our form and add new form. We name this Zapier. Now we scroll down, we enable Webhook, and we hit save. So on the Webhook, you will see different options: request URL, get, JSON, and request body. So for the Zapier, now let's connect with Zapier. Now on Zapier, you need to go to that dashboard, click the create button, and click Zaps. So here on Zaps, we need to, so you can name this, let me name this CF7 Zap. Now on the trigger, there are, let's select Webhook. So we need to catch raw hook, and we tick continue. So here Zapier gave us this webhook URL. We copy this. We go back with this URL. We can have this as post method. Yeah. So now we go to request body. We name this name field with this field. Copy or it. So these are the fields we have on the form. So you can connect as many fields as you want. We copy subject, message. Now we hit save. Now let's try and publish our form. We go to add new form. So we add new page. We name it Zapier. Let me publish this. Now go to a page. Let's fill up this form. Submit this form. Okay. Now let's go to our Zap and test our trigger. So let's see what we got here. So here you can see on the raw body, we got name John, email, setlet, and message. So we got our data here. Now we continue. Now here you need to select your app, whichever app you want to commit. And from there, let's say I'm selecting Slack. So from here, you need to go further and see how to integrate with Slack. So Zapier has a detailed documentation how to connect with different apps. Please check those documentation. From our end, this is where our work is done. You need to then go ahead and connect with your app. So that's basically it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.